Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the skids on my snowblower. Also adjusting the blade below. Mine's starting to dig quite a bit, so it's time to adjust those skids up. Okay, the first thing I do is grab a couple shims or a couple screwdrivers. I place it underneath the blade and raise it about 1/8 of an inch. Next, I come on the sides and loosen the skids or shoes. In my case, I have a 1/2 inch. And I push it down, then re-tighten. Then I come to the other side and do it all over again. Depending on how rough your driveway is, you're going to want to have these up or down. You want to have them down farther for more clearance for a rough driveway, or you're going to want to have these shoes up for a smoother driveway to get that blade right down on the ground. As you can see, the gap has been maintained after taking the shims out. Please consider subscribing if this has helped you out at all. Thanks.